Next from section 2 again, Angelica now as Ashley.
And syempre, punta na tayo sa section 1. Let's welcome Team Sharks. Let's welcome Jake Lawrence as Tom. Hello, Jake. Jake was Mr. Grand Philippines Laguna 2025 and the newest Regal Baby from Virtual Playground. And of course, leading Team Sharks, let's welcome the director, Direct Easy Ferrer. Before we proceed, allow us to acknowledge, of course, the presence of our CEO from Regal, Ms. Rosel Monteverde. Thank you, Ms. Rosel. And alam ko, excited na kayong makilala ang ating dalawang main crushmate. Let's all watch this. Hello, Raymond. Hello, Reynold. Media cameras, please. These are the faces of a new season, new emotions, and new chances of love. Alright, thank you very much, cast. May your seats. Upo muna po tayo. Yan. At gaya nga po ng pag-ibig, hindi daw po tayo makaka-move on kung hindi natin kayang balikan ang nakaraan. Kaya naman, let's look back on the highlights of Season 1 together with the official theme of The Day I Love You Too perfectly describes this season. Love can be sweet, but it can also be wild. Let's watch and listen to Sweet and Wild. That was Sweet and Wild. You can actually rewatch the full season 1 on Bitsy Play. Pwede nyo na po ulit yan panoorin ngayon na mismo. O mamaya, after our press conference. Yung song po natin na yan says it all because college love isn't perfect. It's emotional, confusing, exciting, and real. Kaya naman ngayon, na ready na tayong mag-move on, kilalanin na natin ang bagong dynamics, bagong connection, bagong relationships na magpapaganda sa ating season 2. Okay?
Alright, so let's get to know more about yung actors natin, no? And of course, I'll be speaking English for you. If you need any translation, yeah, I'll be here. Alright, so let's get to know you one by one and I'll also ask you a question. Okay, so right now, there is a character that is going to be, is called Celine. May we know who plays Celine? It's Jazzo, yes. So, can you tell us more about your character first before I go to your question? Alright, the microphone's there.
Si Celine po, she's very lively, very outgoing, and girlfriend po siya ni Royce. Yes. So, ayun po, very kikay din po siya, much like my personality did.
Alright, so thank you for that. Now I'd like to ask you a question so that we can get to know you more. So, is it easier to fall in love or admit that you already did?
For me, it's much easier to admit that you already did. Kasi, for me, it's much harder to hide your feelings and kapag kinikilig ka, mas ano siya, mas mahirap siya itago.
Nangyari na ba yan?
Okay. Pero may hugot ata to.
May pinag-aminan ka na ba ng love o may umamin na sa'yo ng pagmamahal?
Is it based on experience?
Yes,
In
it's
English
based
pala.
on experience.
Young love.
Young love.
Sana
Puppy
pwede-
love.
Oo. Sana pwede tayong bumalik sa ganyang pakiramdam.
Di ba peers lang kayo? Same
Yes.
age? Yes.
Oo. Same
Okay.
age nung 1982.
Alright. Sige, how about you? Mark, do you want to ask anyone? From our
Yes,
class?
ako naman pupuntahan ko si Gabo. Ayan. Gabo,
Hello po, good
sige,
afternoon.
kwentuhan mo muna kami anong character mo dito sa season 2.
So, I will be playing the role of Berna. So, siya yung college student na very flamboyant, na bakla, na arts inclined. So, very ano siya, as how I would see it, very talagang outgoing, very loud, pero at the same time, talagang tinututukan niya yung role niya sa kaibigan.
Yan. Ako, ang gusto kong malaman, ilang beses ka na nasaktan? Oo.
Mga ganun.
Napag-atras ka eh, no?
Ilang beses.
Ilang beses na?
Ilang beses.
Oo.
Siguro mga below 10.
Mga below 10. Actually, ang follow-up question ko dyan, para sa'yo, yung mga heartaches ba na naramdaman mo makes you stronger or makes it parang more careful ka next time?
Sa personality ko kasi, parang inaano ko ina-acknowledge ko kahit man nasaktan ako or kahit man yung isang magandang bagay nangyari sa akin. Kahit na nasaktan man ako, parang mas inaano ko siya na as a lesson. So, yung personality ko kasi is parang very, kahit na masaktan ako, go lang. So, YOLO, kumbaga. So, hindi ako yung tipo na nag-iingat eh. Talagang sugal ang sugal.
Kumbaga wala kang walling experience yung
Yes,
sakit.
oo.
Walang ganun, no?
Wala.
Siguro maraming nakaka-relate dyan, no? Yung mga
Yes.
nasaktan na. Pero sana, di ba, pag nasaktan ka, sana it makes you stronger.
Of course
Parang
naman.
based on your experience.
Parang
yung
based on
sinasabi
my
mo eh.
experience.
Bakit naman
Masyado.
ikaw yung tinatanong? So,
Sige,
nagtiwala ka ba?
direct palit tayo. Go ahead, Dave.
Alright, so now let's go to the next one since malapit na si Caleb sa akin, no? Caleb, why don't you talk about your role?
Ayun niya, as usual, si Royce, yun yung makulit sa barkada, yung nagbibigay ng life. At saka yung maloko, yung typical na alam yung gesture, gano'n.
Typical gesture. So, is there any difference from the role that you played before? Nag-mature ba siya or
Oo,
any
nag-mature
difference? Mature how?
Nag-mature siya
Physically?
kung paano niya nakikita yung view ng mundo at saka kung paano niya nakikita ang view ng tao sa love.
Okay, interesting. So, Gabo mentioned a while ago now, okay, you learn from these relationships and experiences, getting hurt and all these things, diba? So, I wanted to ask you, what's one thing you learned about yourself after masaktan ka or after getting hurt? Patay.
Kunwari nasa Zoom eh, wala naging ganyan. Hindi, joke lang. Yung character, hindi, joke lang. Ayun, going back, natutunan ko sa sarili ko, kapag nasasaktan ka pala, malalaman mo na mahal mo yung sarili mo. Kasi, yung kapag wala nagko-comfort sa'yo, i-comfort mo yung sarili mo eh. So, doon mo papakita na, okay, mahal mo nga yung sarili mo. Tapos, from there, kasi diba, parang naniniwala ko, paano ko nga makibigay ng love kung wala ka ng sarili mo mismo? If that makes sense.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Is that based on experience then?
Ay,
Ay, hindi. So, you've never been hurt? So, gawa mo lang yan.
hindi, tuwa-tuwa lang yan.
Ayaw niya lang umamin na na-hurt din siya before.
Walang ganun.
Bawal umamin.
Oh, bawal umamin.
Kulong ay huli pero hindi
Oh, hindi
kulong.
kulong.
Puntahan naman natin si Angelica. Angelica, sino naman si Ashley sa bagong series na to?
Hi everyone, I'm Angelica Lauco and I'll confident and soft-hearted and vulnerable. So,
Makikichismis naman ako sa'yo bilang si Angelica. Have you ever liked someone but did not say anything about it? Nangyari na ba yan?
yes, actually most of the time. Kasi bilang babae, syempre, ang hirap umamin sa lalaki. Kasi parang, ano ba, yung feeling, ano ba, parang nakakataas kasi ng ego ng guys yun eh. And for me kasi, nahihiya lang talaga ako. Kasi baka, mahirap na pag na-reject ka ng taong gusto mo, tapos hindi ka pala gusto. Right? Yes.
Thank you, Angelica.
Alright, now let's go on to Jake. Jake, why don't you tell us about your role naman?
I'm Jake. Ako po yung si Tom dito. Ako po yung former ex-Rev. And ako po yung team captain ng swim team namin. And yung ano ko po dito is very arrogant, charismatic. At ako yung parang tao na kinakahiya si Rev na ipakita sa teammates namin sa buong campus na mag-ex kami na naging mag-jowa kami. Parang gano'n. Yun po.
Alright, here's a question for you since you're talking about exes, no? Do you believe in second chances in love?
For me, it's depend on the situation. But balance, for me balance, if mapag-usapan nyo na maayos, kung magiging maayos yung pinag-usapan nyo, then why not? Pero kung wala na talaga, move on na lang. Move on na lang tayo.
Wala na talaga move on.
Kanya-kanya kasi talaga.
Yeah.
Pag karapat dapat balikan, balikan. Pag hindi, tapakan.
Grabe naman ang tapakan, diba?
Brutal. Puntahan naman natin si Raven. Raven.
Hi po.
Yeah,
Hi
it's-
po. Ako si Raven. First of all, thank you po sa lahat ng pumunta ngayon. Alam ko, Tuesday ngayon and may mga work kayo in school. Pero you still make time. Kaya sana mag-enjoy tayo buong maghapon dito. I played the character of Rev po. I'm a new character for the Day I Love You Season 2. And medyo na-surprise din ako dito. And super happy ako na nato dito yung Rev.
Grabe yung titig sa'yo naman. Tatagalogin ko pa rin niya maintindihan. Grabe yung titig niya sa'yo. Mamaya, tatanungin ko pa tanong yung isa ha. Tapos pansinin mo yung tingin niya sa'yo. Diba? So ito yung tanong ko sa'yo. Ang salbahe. Talagang yung tingin ko. Para hindi ko maintindihan. Raven, ang question ko, how do you know if you're ready kapag bumalik na yung dating minamahal?
It applies to everyone naman. I think second chances, they exist naman. And minsan kasi may mga first love tayo, di ba? Tapos, nagbe-break, hindi natutuloy yung mga plans kasi hindi pa kayo yung tama for each other at the time. And you meet people along the way, new experiences, maybe kailangan yung mag-focus on like building yourself first. Then maybe when the time comes, you can rekindle things as long as deserving kayo. Like, na-reciprocate ang isa't isa, yung love na yun. Then second chances do exist. Yun ba?
Iniwala ka ba?
Hindi ko alam eh. I mean, love.
Pero second chances do exist.
Of course.
Oh, yeah. Pinapatranslate. Huwag natin silang istorbohin.
Huwag na.
Pero ikaw, istorbohin mo yung plan.
Sige.
Okay, go.
Alright, so let's now go on. Of course, the love interest of Rev, which is Reynold. Tell us more about your role this time.
Hi everyone, my name is Reynold and I'm from Singapore. I think before that, I would like to thank Virtual Playground, Bitsy Play, and of course Regal, Direct EC for making this happen again. I'm really excited to be back. I played the role of Eli, and I think, like in season 1, Eli it's a bit cheeky, but of course you see a more emotional, grounded version of him.
Alright. So I think we were talking about second chances in love a while ago. I don't know if you've heard our banter. Oh, nakaintindi ka ng Tagalog.
A little bit.
Oh, wow! Nakaintindi ka ng Tagalog. Can you say something in Tagalog?
Magandang hapon.
Well, at least, right? So yeah. Alright, Eli. Okay.
Nabahan ako ng slide.
Ako Anyway, so here's your question. Is a second chance to fall in love more exciting or more scary? And knowing that this is also related to your role.
I think falling in love the first time is always the most exciting, right? Because it's when you have no expectations, everything is new, everything is fresh. But after getting your heart broken for the first time, I think it's always scary, right? Because you now have expectations of what's going to happen. You're afraid what if the second time won't work out? But I think as people, we shouldn't be afraid to love. Because being afraid to love, it would deny you of finding your happiness. Am I right? Yes.
Wow! May pagpunso.
Alis na tayo.
Di ba nagsushoot yan?
Oh, may nangyayari.
Pag nawala po si Raven next week, alam niyo na kung nasan siya. Ibig sabihin nun, sumama po siya sa Singapore. Magulat na lang kayo yung picture niya siya dun sa Parlado. Nabit-bit na. Hindi na ako lalayo. Tatanungin ko na muna yung isa pang blandina, ang ating director, Direct Easy. May question ako, kasi ngayon, di ba, sa age group natin, itong mga kabataan tulad natin, uso-uso kasi yung may in love ka, pero sometimes walang labels. Di ba, gusto na lang natin maramdaman, gusto na lang natin kiligin. So yung question ko, para sa'yo ba, do feelings really need labels?
So syempre, for me hindi ko alam, kasi ako people ng tao na kailangan may assurance, kailangan alam ko kung nasan ako, kasi ayoko nang nangangapa, ayoko nang, so dapat may level. So once and for all, let's confront each other and settle things, and ano ba talaga tayo, kasi kung nagkakasakitan lang kayo kapag hindi nyo alam kung ano kayo sa isa't isa.
Having said that, di ba, ang question ko na ay, what do you think ang aabangan ng viewers natin ngayong season 2? Anong bago?
Ayun na nga!
Ito na, di ba?
Actually, syempre, aside from the exciting new ensemble, talagang makikita natin kung paano tayo mababalik sa panahon na in love ulit tayo from a heartbreak, lalo na in the context of college. And yung mga kabataan, kung bata pa tayo, paano ba tayo nagmahal muli, paano tayo makamove on from pain, and paano tayo nakahanap ulit ng bagong taong mamahalin in an exciting new world. So lahat tayo makaka-relate dun kasi babalik tayo sa nostalgic feeling of being in love the second time around. So yung ganung nasa kilig. Kasi syempre yung bago dun is ma-feel natin kung ano yung bagong kwento at adventure na mararanasan ng ating mga cast from the previous season. Kung paano na sila nag-move on to their bigger world and to their alam mo yun, mas malaking scope ng kanilang physical and emotional world. Ayun.
Hindi na kita pakakawalan. Tuloy na natin to. Dahil ang susunod, I just wanted the cast to complete the sentence. Diba? Simulan ko yan with love is, direct. Love is blank for you.
Love is, love, for me, love makes the world go round. Totoo yun, kahit cliche siya pakinggan, it's the most powerful force. If not, it's one of the most powerful forces that makes the world go round. Lahat ng motivation ng tao, lahat ng desires ng tao, ng beliefs ng tao is based on what he loves or who he loves. Yun.
Angelica, love is?
Love is blind. Kasi kapag nagmahal ka, hindi mo talaga alam kung anong mangyayari, yung mga possible reasons. But at the end of the day, kapag nagmahal ka, magmamahal ka ng totoo, nang walang expectations. Kaya love is blind.
Reynold, love is?
Tagalog.
Tagalog, in Tagalog.
Don't put me on the spot like that.
Love is?
I think love is a blessing, right? A lot of people want to be able to love, want to feel loved, but not everyone might be able to do that. So if you're loved, if you can love, you are blessed.
Raven.
Walang reason. Siguro to be loved is to be known. Yun lang.
Wala maisip, parang deep.
Jake?
Love is everywhere. Kasi mabilis hanapin yung love
me, love is genderless. Kasi sa generation ngayon, parang I think love is more than those labels na ginagawa natin. And kasi pag tinamaan ka, hindi mo na rin masabi. So love is genderless.
Zaza.
For me po, same with Eugene, love is, for me naman, is everything. Kasi you can show it through caring, you can show it through small efforts and big efforts.
Caleb.
Love is what makes you go crazy. Kasi kapag mahal mo ang tao, nagagawa mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo alam na kaya mo palang gawin. In a good way, or sometimes in a bad way.
Okay. Oo.
Lahat yan dahil nag-script reading sila kahapon. Lahat ng description na yan, mapapanood nila sa series.
Alam mo, galing sa...
Ay, galing naman sa kanila yun.
Experiences.
Sa kasalanan.
Sige.
Galing sa experiences talaga nila yan. Okay, bigyan pa natin sila ng isang line.
Sige.
Itutuloy nila.
Sa'yo na.
Yes. Sa'yo na, Caleb, dahil hawak mo ng mikropono para pabalik tayo. The most kilig part of falling in love is...
Knowing na nai-in love ka.
Oo yan.
Pakita.
Yung moment na aamin ka sa sarili mo na nai-in-love ka.
Yun eh. Kasi tinatanggap mo na yun na, oh shit, yun na yun.
Acceptance.
Mababaliw na naman ako. Yun.
Totoo yan. Jazan.
The most kilig part in falling in love is kapag na-love din siya sa'yo.
Totoo yan. Kasi baka mamaya kilig ka tapos hindi lang yun ba, no? Iyak ka doon. Hindi na kilig.
Ping.
Yes, Gabo.
The most kilig part of falling in love is doing the things na hindi mo akalain magagawa mo.
Tulad na pagbili ng motor. Ay, hindi na. Sorry. Tulad na
Actually, depende eh. Yung mga hindi mo in your wildest dreams
totoo.
na.
Minsan kasi hindi mo na iniisip yung halaga, yung effort na ibubuhos mo. Basta maibigay mo lang yung para sa kanya. Happy ka na. Thanks, Gabo. Go, Jake.
The most falling, ano?
The most
The most
kilig
fun-
part. The most kilig part of
The most
falling in
kilig
love.
part of falling apart is...
In love? Ikaw naman iwalay agad, Zeke. Pwede pahiramin na bago ka makipag-iwalay.
The most kilig part
Yan.
of falling in love.
Yan. Love muna. Mamaya na tayo sa break.
Is, ano ba? Yung makita mo yung tunay na para sa'yo.
Totoo.
The
Ito
most,
po naman.
the most kilig part of falling in love is choosing them every day. Because it's a choice. Love is a choice that you make every day.
I think the most kilig part about falling in love is looking into their eyes and seeing the sparks.
Sige na, sample.
May mata rin sa kanan, sa kaliwa lang tumingin. Yes? Napalayo tuloy si Angelica. May mga isang dangkal yung layo. Sabi niya, hindi ako tinignan. Sabi niya, hindi ako tinignan. Direct magtinginan niya kay ni Angelica. Para isa tayo. Ayaw din. Sabi niya, naka-contact lens ako. Go, Angelica.
Sorry, what's the question po?
What's the most kilig part of falling in love?
Nag-iisip din ako eh. So, parang sabi niya, lahat po, yung pagiging vulnerable mo sa tao and yung pagiging in love, gano'n. In love ka sa kanya, tapos vulnerable kayo parehas, tapos masaya lang kayo together and ina-enjoy niyo yung bawat moments na meron kayo hanggang mag-last siya, kung kailan man.
Totoo yun. Kasi yung idea of accepting that you are in love, yun yung nakakakilig everyday. Kasi iisipin mo ano bang susunod kong gagawin bukas dahil kinikilig ako.
Tama nga, vulnerable, di ba? Kailangan mo maging vulnerable also.
Whether tama or mali, yung gagawin mo bukas ang importante. Nagmamahal ka ngayon at kikilig ka. Yun. Direct easy? What's the most kilig part?
Marami kasi sa akin, it's the little things kasi siguro, ako, ewan ko, pinaka-naalala kong kilig ako is yung sumakay kami ng ng Ferris wheel. Tapos for the very first time, hinawakan niya ako sa kamay. Kasi natatakot siya sa heights. Pero ako, yung mga bagay, for example, the first feeling of touching hands, the first na message siya sa'yo back, ng may care, yung mga kunyari, yung unang tingin niya sa'yo na alam mo meron na siyang nararamdaman. Lahat ng mga maliliit na bagay na yun, yung mga good morning text, yung mga kumain ka na ba, yung mga kapag yun, nasa crowded area kayo, hawakan ka niya sa ano na parang, kahit ano naman kayo, pero alam niya na kung baka mabangga ka, mga ganung bagay. So, nakakakilig yun pag naipon siya. Yun. Ba yan?
Kinikilig siya ako kung nire-reminis na lahat ng nangyayari sa life.
Ginawa niya yung
Oo.
nakikita ko, ginaganon-ganon na nga.
Yun naman yung importante kasi pag ang director mo kinikilig, sigurado yung material na mapuproduce niyo, sobrang kilig. Yan ang aasahan nyo sa season 2 ng The Day I Love You Too.
Alright,
Diba?
iba na yung natanay natin.
Oo, iba na yung tatanong. Sila naman yung magtatanong. Now let's open the floor to our media partners because this season explores love that evolves when timing is better, when people are braver, and when hearts are more honest. Our first question is coming from Nikki Wang of Manila Standard.
Thank you. Hi, Daytime cast, congratulations. My first question is for Direct DC.
Direct?
Hi, Direct.
Hello!
I love your shoes.
Thank you.
Earlier sabi mo, this is an exciting cast. And so, what makes this set of new cast members special? Especially for this season.
I think the combination, we have fresh faces, we have representation from the community, tapos we have, syempre Raven Rigor is sa mga exciting upcoming actors ng panahon natin ngayon. Of course, may mga bago tayong faces. So parang yung combination, I'm always excited kapag yung combination niya is maganda and at the same time, nagkagaling sa iba't ibang sectors sa apat na sulok ng industriya natin. So, tapos meron pa tayong foreigner. So parang very smorgasbord. Alam mo, pag napanood mo, masarap siya sa mata because everyone is pleasant. Everyone is an exciting siya panoorin. Exciting combination, parang gano'n. So yun, doon ako na-excite.
Well, of course, chemistry is very important din sa ganitong story. What can you share about the chemistry of the lead stars?
Yun doon na, ayun, kunyari yan, meron silang, the thing I like about them, sige, as a director kasi, syempre doon sa mounting and visuals, doon ako tumitingin. So I'm very lucky na physical pa lang, alam mo, they're both attractive, and alam mo yung foreign characters sila of each other, super opposite, na perfect timing na blonde siya, yung parang alam mo yun, pag tingin mo sila sa screen, ang dami mong nakikitang maganda. Tapos super swerte pa na siya, ang gulo niya kaliwa, ang gulo niya kanan, pag tinginan sila gano'n, perfect swak silang gano'n. So yun pa lang alam mo na, so talagang they complement each other pagdating sa physical. Ang sarap-sarap nila panoorin, talagang ma-excite ka na sana magkainlaban sila din na.
So is it safe to say that you didn't have any parang hard time in bringing out the chemistry on screen?
Wala kasi tsaka maharot din naman sila sa isa't isa, so naghaharutan sila. So yun na yun, ginawa na nila assignment nila. Kahit hindi ko naman sinabi maghaharutan sila, naghaharutan sila on and off na ano.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Direk. My next question is for Reynold.
Reynold?
Yes.
Hi, Reynold. How many projects have you done here in the Philippines so far?
This will be my third.
Your third.
Yeah, the first being The Day I Loved You, the first one. And then I came back to do RSP, My Crazy, and now with Direct EC again. My third time is with Direct EC again, so my third one.
So, what's so special, or what do you like about working with a Filipino cast?
Oh, I think I said this before, but I feel like the people in the Philippines are very welcoming. Extremely, it's unbelievable because as a foreigner when I come in, I've never felt more welcome. You know, I feel like they treat me as one of their own, and it's very heartwarming to be able to be accepted like that so quickly as well.
So does that mean we are going to expect more projects for you here in the Philippines?
I would hope so. Rico.
Rico?
I would love to come back more.
Thank you, Reno.
Thank you.
And my last question is for Raven. Hi, Raven. Ang ganda ng paso ng taon sa'yo, no? Diba? Did you manifest this?
In a way, yes. Yeah, hindi ako manifest ng mga bagay. And I think, matagal din yung nag-lead up to this. I've always wanted a school setting na project. And ngayon, mag-grow na po kami in a few days. Diba?
Pero apart from that, parang what made you really say yes to this role?
Nung nabasa ko po yung material, and nung nalaman ko na season 2 siya ng The Day I Loved You, kasi ang hindi ko lang napanood, I think sa The Day I Loved You, yung just one episode, but the rest napanood ko. And I've seen yung edits and how good it is talaga. From the editing hanggang dun sa acting. And yeah, I would say na medyo fan ako ng series. So nung sinabi, nung hindi ko siya alam nung una, sabi ko it's a great series. Sige po, tingnan natin. Then nung sinabi ko I love you, sige po, talagang yes na. Kasi gusto ko talaga yung series.
And sabi mo may ikaw manifest, are there any other things that you'd like to manifest this year?
Marami ako na manifest. And yung isa hindi mo na ako magsispoil po. Pero I think yung mga na-manifest ko last year, magbubunga siya this year hopefully.
Alright, then thank you and congratulations.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you, Nikki. May following question tayo for Raven from a fan. Sabi niya, since you have a new on-screen partner, how or what preparations did you make to build chemistry with Reynold or the entire cast?
Recent na kasi kami nag-meet ng buong cast po. So, with Reynold, syempre, no preparation. Prepared naman, bukod sa prepared naman po kami for this. I think, i-build mo talaga din yun. I think chemistry, yes, natural ng chemistry, pero it's something that you also build. It's something na you communicate with your on-screen partner. So with Reynold, it's very easy. Sabi ko, let's get coffee before mag-room to kasi para walang awkwardness and tension. Kasi I think that's what I did before. That's what I do before pag sa mga ganung klaseng eksena, pag may ka-partner. You really need to get to know the person. It's not just yung work lang na, yeah, tapos na natin ito, eksena na to, basahin yung script. No, I think I really want to get to know the person too. Para alam mo yung dynamics namin. Yun po.
Thank you, Raven. Let's now go to Miss Tessa Ariola of Manila Times. Let's go to Chad Rosete of Manila. Rome, Carly Aragon. Question. Okay, go. Kate from Random Republica.
Hi, good afternoon. My question is for the main characters, Raven and Reynold. You haven't shot any scene so far, right? But what do you appreciate about each other? Because you see, if we didn't know, we would think that you've known each other for a long time. Oh, really? Yeah, the chemistry is so strong. So what do you appreciate about each other right now?
Oh,
How long you know each other?
you wanna take a guess?
Yung,
Don't tell me, you just met the day.
ay, sa totoo lang we met yesterday.
But we've been speaking online
We've been
for a
speaking,
while.
we talked
When we found out that we're gonna be
Can you tell us more about the chats?
We did reach out, sorry.
Can you tell us more about your chats?
No, it's just getting to know each other and not getting to know one another. Because, like Raven said before, it's about building chemistry for the show. So of course it takes some time. So we just chatted, we found out about each other's life, what we do, and yeah.
Yeah, tsaka yung taping is malapit na talaga. So, tsaka hindi mahirap with Reynold din. Nung magaan mo rin na po. Yung kahit sa messenger show, message, yun.
Ano sabi?
Secret. Ayun. Madali, magaan. I mean, mapipig mo naman po yun eh. Pag magaan naman yung chemistry. Yung magiging working relationship. Tsaka tayo mag-communicate, tsaka honest sa na, uy, ganito na. Tapos nakikinig talaga.
I'm sorry, going back to your question, you asked what do I appreciate?
Appreciate, yes.
Oh, it's hard to answer. I think it's nice because the first time I saw him, like you said, I did feel like I've known you for a really long time. And sometimes it's a bit scary to meet new cast members because you don't know what they're gonna be like. But for Raven, he was really, really open to meeting me. If he said hi to me first, oh, okay. Yeah, so I think I really appreciated that about him. It makes it so much easier to bond. Yeah.
Yeah. Ang dami lang yung English.
Mga ilang kilo? Mga 5 kilong English daw per day.
For Raven, you've done BL before and also you've been partnered with a female character. So, how different is the experience? Would you think, malaki ba yung pagkakaiba?
Opo, I think magiging malaking difference ito. Hindi pa naman po kami makikita ko lalo yun pag nag-grow na talaga yung cameras. But yes, and I did BL before with like one on-screen partner. We did, I think, pang-fourth na BL ko na po ito. But this is the first candid na ako. And I did for the Rapture, Beach Bros. At least we had this moment of coming pa lang. So, it's different kasi different on-screen partner. And na-pair na din po ako with, hindi pa po ako na-pair with like a girl. Yes. Music video lang po with Colette, Mandela, for music video. So, exciting kasi yung mga learnings ko from my past projects, pwede ko na siyang madala this time. Kasi yun nga po, like I said, I waited for this yung ganitong moment to like show what I can do. You know, it's not just for me, sa buong cast, it's transfers to showcase ito. And yeah, I really feel a lot of good things yung magubunga from this.
Thank you. And my last question for Derek. Parang you're the queen of vertical series now. Parang, ano yung major difference, changes that fans can expect from this series?
Queen of vertical series.
Sunod-sunod, di ba? Tapos may chandelier ka sa ibabaw. Yun yung crown.
Para sa akin, hindi, ano nga yun? What makes this different, of course, the genre. I will always go back to this genre kasi this is my favorite genre. This is yung naging jump off ng career ko. So, ano mo yun? Tapos I'm at home with Regan. So, ano siya? Ito yung lagi kong, hindi ko naman lagi siya namin my favorite. Isip ako na dito ko lang ginagalingan. Pero kapag ganito kasing genre, tapos naging beloved ko sa akin. Inaano ko siya, sinisinsin ko siya, inaano ko siya. Talagang pinipiga ko siya. Lalo na ngayon, kasi ang vertical, syempre, ibang hemisphere na naman yan. So, hindi ko pwede ulitin yung mga ginawa ko nung season 1 na, alam mo yun, ibang hagod kasi yun eh. Iba yung behavior ng panonood. Ito kasi different. It always has to be exciting every episode, which is very, very short. So, kailangan laging kinikilig sila every episode. Walang episode na hindi nakakakilig dapat. Laging pataas dapat. So, pakilig hanggang sa dulo. Talagang pa-compensate yung hinahanap nilang ng audience na ano. Na, oh my God, talagang naihi ako sa kilig ng 25 episodes na 20. Episode 20 pa lang dapat naiihi na sila sa kilig. Parang gano'n. So yun lang.
Thank you.
Queen of vertical.
Thank you, Kim. Ayan, dahil sinabi mo yung word na hagod, napatek sa akin si Griffin. Ang tanong niya, gaano kadaming hagod ang mapapanood niya dito? How much skin?
Oh my God, sorry, hindi pala na-mention na ang milieu nito, if season 1 was of a high school prom, it's a soiree, ganyan. Ito kasi, it's more of competitive college milieu. So, syempre, ang favorite ng mga tao, swimming, so maraming mga naka-trunks. So, mga 20 episodes na naka-trunks, 5 episodes na naka-uniform. Ganun lang siya. So, makakakita tayo ng maraming basang muscles dyan.
Akala ko maraming basa. Sorry.
mga basang katawan na nagbabanggaan at nagtutulakan at nagkikis-kisan. So kung di pa kayo na-excite doon, ewan ko na lang.
So dapat sa comment section guys makikita namin yung Go Eli, Red Fight, saka Go Tom sa mga suot nila. Yan, kung ano man ang magiging wardrobe nila sa mga episodes na yan. Richard? Nas, sorry.
Hey, Direct Easy. Kwento nyo na paano nag-start yung pagkakaroon ng season 2 yung casting.
Okay. Siyempre, we did the Day I Love You Season 1 2023. And most of the fans naman talaga, parang nabitin sila sa kwento. Although alam mo nagsara na siya, pero alam mo, sana makapanood pa kami ng more. Kasi may ganun, diba, na parang merong, ano yung ganung syndrome na parang sana merong pang patuloy pa sila. Doon tapos na yung kwento na ano ka pa, na-affect ka pa rin. And then, until finally, an exciting new venture came with Vinci Play and Regal na sana mag-collaborate tayo kasi para magkaroon ng BL genre doon sa platform. And yun, so after maraming mga discussions, sinabi namin, oh sige, it's finally time for The Day I Love You 2 na mangyari. And this time, bigger world sa university na hindi na high school and mas mature na yung mga characters. And yun, after nun, mabilis na nasulat kasi same writer lang din naman yan, so same creatives, mabilis na sulat, mabilis na discuss. And alam mo, habang sinusulat yung kwento, habang ginagawa, alam mo, ay kung ang dami pa na pwede mo piga sa mga tao, sa mga characters na to, lalo na pag nagdagdag ka ng mga bago. So yun, ganun siya came into fruition.
Yung casting ko.
Anong gawin ko sa casting? Paano sila nabuo? Okay. Well, siyempre, dala namin from season 1 si Caleb at saka si Raynol kasi siyempre sila yung mga, alam mo, nag-crossover. Siyempre, kapag naman nag-graduate ng high school, you part ways with the other people and then you meet new people. So yun, na-meet namin si Jazel, she's a Regal baby. Si Gabo, siyempre one of the most, alam mo yun, one of the most infamous TikTok stars. And then, syempre si Jake is a virtual Regal baby yun. So pinili namin sila yung upcoming talaga hottest stars. And then si Angelica, of course, is talaga lagi namang, she's also a Regal baby. So yun, so lahat naman sila, pinili namin ng, until look test kahapon, talagang sinisin namin sino talagang bagay. So, sa look test mo naman makikita kung masaya sila tingnan eh, kung ano, kung maganda sila sa poster, kung maganda sila sama-sama sa screen. So yun, swerte naman ng Vinci and ng Regal na nakakuha kami ng magandang cast. Of course, si Raven yung pinaka nakaka-excite. Hanggang kagabi isip ko, oh my God, Raven Rigora, paano ba ito? O sige, nagaganon ako. So, alam mo yun, nakaka-excite na nabuo sila.
Thank you for Raven and Raven. What were your first impressions of each other and how was it like when you actually met each other?
You're already speaking. Bawal mag-away sila. May MQ. May MQ. Wapo.
Hindi yung first impression ko. First impression, hindi pa kasi kami masyadong excited talaga ako sa taping. Super excited ako. And yung pala kasi yung mga, ako kung honest, di pa kasi masyadong interact. Pero alam kong madami ganun interaction. Maabot na nga sa pupunta sa Singapore. Sabi ko, hindi pa naman kami close. Joke lang. Basta.
Nakalive tayo din eh. Parang gusto na lang mag-usap na lang. Nandito kami
Your turn to answer. Your turn. Yes.
I forgot the question.
What's your first impression?
How was it like when you first met him? Comparing to your first impression.
It's the same. No, I think initially I was afraid because I haven't worked with him before. I haven't seen him before, and this having to do be lovers, despite not knowing each other for a while, should be quite tough. Right? But after meeting him, after talking with him, I feel really comfortable now, and I think it's gonna be a great show. I think you can look forward to a lot of kidding moments. Yeah.
Thank you. For the rest of the cast, what are the conflicts of your characters that will be explored in the series?
For everyone. For everybody. Jake? ano yung i-expect ng mga tao, conflict na i-dudulot mo sa kanya? Yung character.
Conflict? Ano ba? Conflict? Na madudulot ko sa nila.
Yes.
Ines. Ines doon sa character ko na ginagawa ko kay Rev. Yun, may inis ko sa akin sobra. Yun yung pinaka-conflict ng character ko.
Gabo. Caleb.
Sa character ko, more on ano yung maibibigay kong advice sa close friend ko, which is si Eli, about some new and cast na. At the same time, na nangyayari din sa akin.
Jasmine.
Sa character ko naman po, actually wala naman conflict. Since very outgoing na po siya and go with the flow. Ayun, nakikisabay lang. That's more on laughter.
Gabo.
Ako naman, wala din namang conflict ako magbibigay dun sa characters. Pero I think I will be there as Berna to, you know, make them realize yung mga choices nila. Especially with their emotions or feelings towards each other.
Ako po, for Eli and Rev, ang magiging conflict po ako sa kanila is because confusion. And ang meron naman po naman sa akin, personally, sa my character, sa character ko is empathy. But, marami pa akong eye-opening sa character ko and makakatulong sa kanilang lahat. So, yun po.
I think for Eli, it's about moving forward, right? How do you move on from a love you held so deeply? How do you move on from memories you can't forget? And with that comes growth, emotional growth, and of course, learning to love once again.
Yung conflict naman po with my character, si Red. Moving forward and choosing to love again. Kasi magkaiba yung naramdaman mo na may gusto ka ng tao. Kasi pursue mo sa pipiliin mong yung tao. Kasi pag isang tao it's hard to choose someone new. So, I think kasi niwala ko na before you love someone again, yung kailangan nabil mo muna ulit yung sarili mo, in a way po ka muna. Bago mo, before you can give yourself, your all again to someone. So pag medyo heartbroken ka pa, hindi pa nag-heal, hindi mo kailangan hindi ka maghahanap ng anything na kakanis siya kung malaman. Focus on healing first. So, I think yun yung naging conflict niya kasi dumating bigla yung character niya. Yung character ni Rina. So, yun po.
Thank you. Thank you, Naz. Sino pa po ang gustong magtanong sa ating class? Raise your hand. From our supporters. One question.
Yes. Did you get it?
Hindi yung character ha. At tinanong talaga niya yung as a real person.
As a real person.
O yun yun. Yun ang kailangan sagutin. Oo. O ikaw na.
Did you get it?
No.
Okay, not as your character, as a real person, is it easy to love him? Not as Eli, as Raven.
me.
Yeah.
That's coming from a fan. Fan of Raven.
The fan of Raven. Is it easy to love Raven? I think that's the best way to put it.
I mean, why would it be hard to love someone this beautiful, right? I'm gonna impose you for that.
Any more questions? Follow-up questions? Wala. Ayan. Yes. Miss New Yorker. New Yorker na palagay kasi.
As a big fan of The Day I Love You Won, this is a question for Raven.
touch the older fans, who already watched the season 1 series?
I think season 2 is gonna be very different. Hindi siya different in terms of emotions and feel, but I've always, the moment na inaccept ko yung yung project, I think, alam ko, season 1 is gonna stand on its own forever na yun, na it's gonna be like one of the best PL, and it's, yung story niya is forever suspended in time. It's always gonna be there. And season 2 is about, ang messaging kasi ito is really about moving forward, na you can have someone, you can love someone greatly, tulad nung nilove ng characters sa season 1, but it's also about moving forward. And syempre, hindi rin siya about papantayan or lalampasan yung season 1. Again, it's different but connect, intertwined siya, na we want to offer something na aakma din and matatouch sa puso ng marami. Iba tayong experiences, pero at the same time, madalas yun experience na experience din ito, na heartbroken, takot na magmahal ulit. And hindi lang siya basta-basta PL lang na hindi, when we say kasi PL, hindi lang siya boys love or two boys falling in love with each other. It's not just PL para sa amin, yung project. It's about loving someone kasi despite their gender, despite who they are, and sana dumating tayo sa time na hindi lang natin mo-consider yung BL as something different or nakakatakot or admitting na you like two boys falling in love or two girls falling in love, but it shouldn't be treated too differently. Kaya ayaw kiligin yung lahat, kahit yung mga nanay-tatay natin pag nagkaroon nila, kasi it's 2026 and it's about time we wholeheartedly embrace na anyone can love whoever they want.
Thank you! Last question. Meron pa kung gusto umabot? Yes, next.
Direct follow-up lang, since vertical series siya, paano yung cuts niya? Mahingi lang din ba siya?
The usual traditional vertical series na 2-minuters, ganyan. So parang yung kung paano naka-edit yung traditional nating vertical series ngayon na full pack lagi ka ng 2 minutes. So yun. So very at the edge of your seat ka lagi when you watch it.
Thank you. Thank you. And piso lang per episode, guys. Tandaan nyo. Dahil piso ang bawat episode sa Beatsy Play. Kaya naman, kaya-kaya. Diba? Affordable.
Okay, so before we wrap up, do we want to hear from the cast? Mark?
Yes. Invite na ating mga viewers to close this pep rally. If you wanted to invite them, ano pa dapat nilang abangan at bakit nila kailangan mahalin ang season 2. Let's start with Kate.
Hey guys, invite ko kayo manood ng The Day I Love You Season 2. Makakita kayo dito ng iba't ibang dynamics and more mature. More mature sa pag-iisip and sa yun, from high school to college. So, expect what you expect. So, dapat manood kayo.
Thank you, Rhea.
Thank you.
Hi guys, invitahan ko po kayong panoorin ang The Day I Love You 2 Season 2. And ayun, marami po na-expect ito sa Season 2. It's not just about love, it's also about lessons in life, emotionally and mentally. Yun lang.
Hello guys, so I'm inviting you to watch the Day I Love You Season 2. This time we are not just diving into deep waters but also deep feelings. So sana supportahan niyo po.
Please watch The Day I Love You 2. Maraming magiging lesson dito at maraming mga dapat abangan dahil katulad na sabi ni Sir Mark, may makikita kayo na dapat makikita kayo na exciting yun. Kaya kailangan nyo abangan. Tapos marami kayong matututunan. Like na season 1, syempre sa season 2, mas maganda siya kasi mature nga katulad na sabi ni Then, yun.
Hello po sa lahat ng nandito. Thank you so much po, first of all, kay Dirk Easy, sa lahat ng cast at Sir Regal and Vinci Play for this opportunity. And sana ito yung maging salubong natin sa New Year natin. Gusto na kami sa ating kiligin ulit. And to new beginnings, sana panoorin po yung The Day I Love You Too. Exclusive po ito sa Vinci Play. Yun po, sana supportahan nyo. And it would mean a lot. Thank you.
Hi, thank you everyone for being here today. Season 1 is a lot about first love. You know, first kiss, my first everything, first love. Season 2 it's gonna be a bit more intense, a bit more emotional, a bit more spicy. So please keep supporting us. Watch The Day I Love You Too on BTC Play. Thank you.
Hi everyone, syempre po gusto po magpasalamat sa inyong lahat. Nandito po kayo ngayon. And kay Dirk Easy, Sir Regal po, and to everybody. Iimbitahan po namin kayo na manood ng The Day I Love You Too, Season 2. Sana po panoorin nyo kasi marami po kayo matututunan na lessons here. And I hope ma-enjoy nyo talaga to kasi like what Rachel said, it's spicy daw. So sana po manood po kayo. Salamat po.
Bago din patuloy, mag-shoot muna kami. Anyway, you are grinding soon. Regal Entertainment and presented by Regal Entertainment, and of course, exclusive on Vinci Play, and of course, in partnership with Virtual Playground. Ayun, The Day I Love You Too. Soon na yan, and it will be launched globally very, very soon. Very social, very global, very international. Of course, kailangan nyo panoorin. Actually, kailangan nyo panoorin yung Season 1. Nasa Vinci Play na rin siya bago nyo maintindihan yung mundo ng Season 2. So you can skip to this, watch it first, get yourself excited, and then tatapos namin ng mabilis, and then mapapanood nyo na siya agad sa Vinci Play. Exclusively on Vinci Play. Nowhere else. Ayun, excited na kami lahat. Thank you everyone for coming here. Panoorin po natin. Promise?
Thank you very much. Palakpakan natin ang Team Sharks. Guys,